Recently, the San Gorgonio Pass, California Highway Patrol has experienced a series of fatal traffic collisions. These collisions have claimed the lives of 9 individuals and has critically wounded another. While these crashes have occurred in very different locations at very different times of the day, they have all occurred under similar circumstances. The one thing all these crashes have in common is that they involve individuals who chose not to wear their seatbelt and died as a result of it. For years, the California Highway Patrol, the California Office of Traffic Safety, and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration have stressed the safety and necessity of wearing a seatbelt while driving or riding in a vehicle. Of the vehicle occupants killed in traffic collisions across the nation in 2017, 47% were not wearing their seatbelts. As we have seen in recent fatal collisions in the Pass area, we are not immune to this statistic. The consequences of not wearing or improperly wearing your seatbelt are clear. Not buckling up can and has resulted in occupants being completely ejected from a vehicle during a crash. And while California maintains one of the highest seatbelt use rates in the nation, it is clear the San Gorgonio Pass is experiencing needless deaths as a result of our community members refusing to take an extra 3 seconds to simply put on their seatbelt. As your California Highway Patrol office, you have charged us with keeping you and your family safe while on the road. And we will continue to strive to meet your expectation through education and enforcement. We will also continue to partner with Caltrans and the Riverside County Transportation Commission to identify roadway safety improvements. But it's time to get serious about seatbelt safety and usage. If you are one of our community members that doesn't think seatbelts are a necessity, just ask one of the family members of those killed by not wearing one. Remember, you are somebody's family, somebody's friend, and somebody's loved one. So as the commander of the CHP office that services the Pass area, I'm asking that you take an extra few seconds to ensure you and everyone in your vehicle is buckled up. It's one of the safest choices you can make as a driver or passenger in a vehicle. Because of our current trend, I'm designating the month of September as the San Gorgonio Pass Seatbelt Safety Month. I have asked my officers to conduct zero-tolerance enforcement by issuing costly seatbelt citations to anyone not wearing or improperly wearing their seatbelt. Additionally, we will continue to file charges against anyone who kills a member of the public as a result of reckless or negligent driving habits. Our community is growing at a pace none of us ever expected. The Highway Patrol would like to make sure we continue to thrive. Remember, every trip, every time, buckle up.